Want to get rich with AI in 2025? The new AI gold rush is here, not tomorrow, today. Ready to ride it like a pro. Let's go. Look, AI isn't just a tech trend, it's a wealth accelerator. In 2025, global AI investment hit $119 billion, and enterprise profits are soaring, up to plus 16% in some sectors. That means real money, real opportunities, right now. But the catch: you can't just wait. You need to get involved, get valuable, get paid. Here's where people are making real money with AI, right now. These aren't futuristic ideas. They're working, scalable income streams you can start today. 1. AI-powered services. What it is: using tools like ManyChat, Tidio, or BotPress, you create custom AI chatbots for websites, e-commerce stores, real estate firms, or local businesses. Why it pays: most small businesses still don't know how to integrate AI into their customer service or lead generation. Real example: a freelance chatbot builder charges $500 to $2,000 per bot setup on Fiverr and Upwork. Offer monthly maintenance equals recurring income. Getting started: learn tools like Chatbase, GPT bots, or Zapier plus OpenAI for smart integrations. Target local businesses. I can automate 40% of your customer service in 1 week. You don't need to code, you just need to solve problems. 2. AI content creation. What it is: using AI to generate videos, blog posts, social media content, ebooks, or newsletters at scale, then personalizing for your niche. Top tools: a ChatGPT plus Canva Magic Write equals blog and visual combo. A Pictory, Synthesia, and InVideo AI equals quick video generation. A Lumen 5 or Runway ML equals text-to-video magic. Why it works: businesses need content fast but still high quality. AI helps you deliver both. You can resell this content or build your own brand with it. Use cases: a $500 per month blog packages for law firms, coaches, or realtors. A create YouTube faceless channels using AI voice plus visuals. A MonAI's newsletters built by GPT plus MailChimp. Pro tip: pick one niche and dominate. AI health content, AI parenting tips, AI legal insights. Each one has potential for passive income. AI writes fast. You write smart. That's your edge. 3. AI automation agencies. You help businesses save time and money by automating repetitive workflows using tools like Zapier, Make, Integromat, or Notion AI. Key automations people pay for: are auto-responses for leads from Facebook or Google Ads. Are AI-generated follow-up emails for online stores. Are CRM updates and invoice generation tied to chatbots or forms. A solopreneur sets up 3 to 5 automations for one business equals $1,000 to $3,000 plus retainer. Plus ongoing tweaks and AI model updates equals recurring income. Target clients: are coaches, consultants, agencies, content creators, SaaS startups. What to offer: AI optimize your business in 30 days packages. A monthly performance reviews plus updates, recurring. They run the business, you run the automation. Here's your roadmap: the 90-day AI wealth sprint. A weeks 1 to 2, pick one niche, chatbots, AI blogs, AI designs. A weeks 3 to 5, master 2 key tools, ChatGPT, Canva AI, Synthesia. A week 6 to 8, land your first client, even small gigs count. A weeks 9 to 12, scale, turn one-off jobs into recurring services, affiliates, or micro-agencies. Start small, scale fast, serve well, because compound growth isn't just financial, it's personal, reputation, and income growth. Now ask yourself, do you want to just watch the AI gold rush or strike gold yourself? Drop a comment. Which AI money stream excites you most? Hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you're ready to turn AI into income. This is your era, your move. Let's get rich with AI in 2025.